What's going on YouTube? YouTube, what's going on with you? This is Ty with xking.com. Hit you with a follow-up video. This is part 2 or 2.5 months of using the Cutter Bug Control Spray Concentrate. Kill mosquitoes, ants, and fleas. This is my review of the product after using it for 2.5, maybe 3 months. About 3 months, about 3 months. So let me give you the backstory on why I picked this up and why I'm using it. Last year, I was getting swarmed by mosquitoes. I mean, swarmed by mosquitoes, and I'm talking about I get bit every time I go outside. And when it's super hot, I get bitten. When it's cool, I get bitten. So I got bitten all the freaking time. So I said, no, what? I'm tired of this, and they'll follow me in my house. I mean, I killed 3 mosquitoes last year, and they're in my house. I mean, how is this possible? So I said, okay. So I went ahead and bought this stuff from Amazon. It's $9. If you want this stuff, below the video, I have a link to it. Tell you right there, Amazon. It's only $9. It lasts 12 weeks, all summer, which I believe it does. It rained a lot this year, so I apply this once a month. Once a month is all you need, okay, to keep it, just to keep it going. So I'll make sure I don't get bitten, because last year is ridiculous. But this year, man, this year's been fantastic. I can honestly say, I'm in the backyard wearing shorts right now. I've seen an 80% drop in mosquitoes. Now, granted, I got bitten about 3 or 4 times this year because it was cooler out. It was at nighttime. They really swarm when it's really cool outside. It's not going to stop all the mosquitoes. I have neighbors, so their yard might get mosquitoes once. A few might drip up to my yard. I understand that. So, granted, it's not going to be 100% fixed. But if you want a big, drastic change in mosquitoes, buy this stuff here, man. This stuff works. Will I buy it again? Yes. Will I recommend this to somebody? Yes. Does this work? Yes. I've seen a 80% drop in mosquitoes. Again, that 20% is very small. I got bitten 3 times, 4 times this year. So I probably got bitten maybe once a month, And I've been outside a lot this year, cutting grass, fixing the car. Me and my father-in-law, we trim these hedges up here in the corner. We trim all this stuff up. So, yeah, I did all that stuff. So, yeah, I've been outside a lot this year, more than usual. And I honestly say it works. I mean, 80% drop, 4 times, been about 4 times this year compared to last year. It was like 30. Okay, I was getting bitten like once or twice a week, 3 times a week. I'm like, I'm getting bitten through my clothes. That's how I wear a button-up shirt, and I'll get bitten through that. Like, they was biting the hell out of me. So I hate wearing shorts, but now I can wear shorts in the backyard now. This stuff works. This works. This is my review of using it for the past, I say 3 months now. This stuff just works. Buy this now. $9 a bottle. Apply it once a month. Do it. You can do it twice a month. I mean, not twice a month. Once every 2 months. You do it twice every summer, because summer starts in May, June, July, August, 3 months. So I say buy 3 bottles of these. Use the link below, and go ahead and go to Amazon. Buy this stuff. This stuff just works. I'm buying this for here on out. This is today's August 10th or 11th. So what I'm gonna do is apply this for this month. And September's come a cooler day. September gonna be a little bit cooler, not gonna be as hot. And I'm going to apply this probably in September, and that should be it. Because now it's not getting a little cooler outside. So when it's cooler outside, mosquitoes flock. They can't stand extreme heat. Okay, so what they love when it's cool outside, because they can survive. So I'll apply this now, and I'll apply it one more time in September, and that'll take me the rest of the year. Okay, so this is my 3rd bottle. I only spent $27. Cheap. I mean, cheap. To keep mosquitoes out, to have fun and have cookouts. So my name is Ty with the X King. My blog is thexking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Any questions, comments, concerns about this product? Is it worth it? Yes. Will I buy it again? Yes. Will I use it every summer? Yes. How many times I got bitten? 3 times so far out of the last year, over 30. I get bitten on my neck and my head. I got bitten. I wear a do-rag outside. I still get bitten. My wife said, how you get bitten on your head? I got bitten on top of my head. I got bitten on the top of my head. I got bitten in my thigh. I got bitten on my back. I got bitten on my leg. I got bitten on on my chest. I mean, it's just ridiculous out here. But this year, none of that. This year, I'm wearing shorts right now. Not one bite. And I haven't used this stuff in a month. I apply this like in the beginning of July. I haven't used it over the month. And that's still no mosquitoes out here. And today it's not hot. It's early morning. It's cool out here. It's not really hot. It's about 85 degrees, 83 degrees. It's kind of cool, nice little breeze. No mosquitoes. None. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts back here now. So I'll probably apply this today just to be sure. Yeah. So definitely get this bottle. It's worth it. And my name is Todd with xking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any comments, questions, concerns about this product, definitely use it for the mosquitoes. One more tip to keep mosquitoes out is keep your grass cut. Keep your I cut all that back there one day. So see this stuff in the back, in the far back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut all that back there one day. I cut it all back down one day, and before I cut that stuff, I want to apply this first. I want to apply this stuff maybe the day before, get nice and settled in, maybe a couple of days before, and really cut all that down so I don't get bitten by nothing. And again, this is good for ants too, and fleas in the yard. So, you know, if you're working your car outside in the grass, you might want to apply it to your grass too. And what do you spray this on? I spray this on the house. I spray this on the house, the windows. I spray on the the base floor of the cement on my house, all the trees, the grass, shrubs, everything. Spray really the grass, the main part, trees, bushes, your house. You know what I'm saying? The windows, the doors. You spray everywhere, man. Cause where they come from, man. Spray everything. Spray your roof with it if you want to. Spray all of it, man. So they won't come to you. So that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.